After all the reasons why, you have all the reasons why. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. I'm gonna go over and down, and then I'm gonna bring it up to look at you, and then you're gonna start talking.
So today, we are going to frame this piece where we put in the new washer and dryer unit. We are going to close this up, and then we're also going to patch up where we had a small leak from the exhaust, but that's fixed. So we're going to patch that up today, and then we're also going to put our trim back around our skylight and patch that up. And so that'll be what we're working on today, and hopefully we'll get to paint.
Oh yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I got the paint.
Oh, goody.
We should be able to paint and get this bathroom on its way to a beautiful makeover.
What am I measuring?
So you have to measure under here first.
Under or across?
Under here.
Underneath?
Going this way, so that way you can
like
put
this
on. Yeah, and then you're gonna have the other one meet up on the top, and that should cover it. I think that's what he said. I can't remember now.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Something like that, and then
I guess it's like 29.
yeah, and then do it long ways. Well, you got to do it on the top, I think. Oh, I don't know.
Oh wait, what do I have to do it underneath?
I don't know.
Like
I can't
this?
remember now.
No.
Turn it.
I don't think that's right. Oh,
I don't remember anymore.
No, it makes sense. Here, I'm gonna do it like this. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Scott, what does that say? Shake it. Shake it. What was the first number? 29 and this is 75.
And then you have to do a cross from here to that corner over there.
Why?
Because this part is going to be underneath, and then this part is going to be atop.
Ah, okay.
Where's the tape measure?
I don't know, it's so long.
That's weird.
And then this is like 33. Yeah, 33, 29, 75.
So maybe we should cut one piece first.
Let's start with the 75.
No, let's start with the under piece, because that will give you an idea of where you want to put the longer piece, because you can't uncut the short piece, so you have to make sure that that piece is measured right. I only have 4 of those boards, so you can't mess up.
Well, you know what? You can't overcut a short board. To wake up before 7 a.m. for work ethic when you're young.
You're young. You're not young? Are you young? Tell me.
I want you to tell me, what do you constitute as young?
You? You're only in your 30s. How can you not be young? When I was in my 30s, I was a spring chicken.
What was I saying? Fine. In relation to this conversation about youth.
Oh, because you want to talk about. Oh, because you want to talk about somebody else. Okay, I get it.
In general, when I was. You're not gonna really use it. So now I'm gonna get the 33 off of here. I only measured it one time. Alright.
You gotta unplug that, because.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, there you go. And then the other piece is supposed to just go right on top.
Like this?
No, right. Up.
Like that?
Yep. So it makes it like a little box like that. Right?
Mama!
What? You don't think it looks right?
Oh, I guess it looks better than when I press it in there.
And then, so that's why your piece doesn't need to be cut from that very top piece, it needs to be cut from where the corners are, right there.
I got you. I didn't.
And now I'm just gonna putty that piece on the corner because he said just putty that piece over there on the corner.
I think I might have to cut this one off a little.
Right there. Oh, why isn't? Plus, because when you think about it too, you got the other side of the wall to fit in there too.
What other side?
This side over here.
You're gonna do another one over there?
Yeah.
I gotta do 2 of them on this side though. Look.
Yeah, it's gonna take.
2.
Well, I was thinking, couldn't we put the trim back on there?
There's trim?
It was trim like this on the door.
Oh, where's it at?
I have to buy another piece because I think you guys broke it up.
Oh yeah, I think it got destroyed. But, oh, you know what? I think it got left in the rain. I'm only happy when it rains. Okay, what was I doing?
We were gonna see how big that piece that you were trying to cut, the 33 piece, would need to be.
I probably just need to cut it down. Just look, only like a couple.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's just hanging over a little bit.
It's like centimeters. Centimeter. The Manila folder. All right. So now I need to remeasure
this from. Can you put that toilet seat down? I don't want it on the camera. Okay. Plus, I don't want to be looking at it. So then we just need to measure.
Wait. Well, look at this.
Yeah.
So is it going there or?
It's going right there.
You're gonna have to putty.
Yeah, she said to putty that.
Oh.
That's what I kept saying.
That's what I said. Okay.
So you need to measure from that corner right there, down to the bottom. So maybe it won't be 70 whatever.
Dang it, how did I do it last time?
Why don't you just turn it upside down?
Oh,
so it'll still be the same because that's where you measured it from last time.
No, it's 74 now.
And I might even say do 70, 74, 73.
I'll do 73 and a half.
Because you see that corner trim down there at the bottom?
Yeah, because it'll definitely overlap. So, okay.
Plus, do you see that corner trim on the other side at the bottom, right there?
What about it?
Where because don't we have to put another little trim piece there? Right there? Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Well, you didn't put them there. Are you gonna put some there too?
Yeah, I'm gonna put some there too. So we gotta put a trim piece there.
Are you gonna hold the trim or are you gonna paint this trim?
I'm gonna paint that trim and I'm gonna put the trim piece right there in that corner.
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm pointing with my finger on the camera. Oh. Let's see how people do that. It's so funny. And then I'm going to put a little bit of putty right there in that corner after we get it all done.
Because this is.
Well, that side, we're not on that side yet. So let's go and cut our 74.
73
So would it be because of that corner piece though? Wouldn't it be shorter because?
No, because you're gonna put that corner piece on top of it. Why wouldn't?
Then it'll poke out.
Okay.
Wouldn't it poke out?
Okay. Let's do it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put it at 72.
Okay.
Well, how tall is this? That's 3 inches. Yeah, I'm putting it at 72, probably 71 and a quarter. I was driving.
All right,
in
let's
my
go
car.
cut.
I tried to get there. Couldn't get seal. The Flex Seal was a fail.
Yep, that failed.
Dang it, it didn't even rain last night. It was barely a drizzle. Look at all that.
Good morning.
I did it. I was asleep.
Right. So now we are going to saw our smaller measurement of 29 blah blah.
29. Oh, look at that. How cute. We're not traumatized. So do it from this side?
No, do it from this side.
This side has the crack.
Yeah, but we're cutting
But
that.
you don't want the crack. I'm measuring 29 inches so that I can cut it with the chop saw. 29 inches. You would have thought that was all. Blamed on a poor defenseless animal. The only thing is that it's always roughest up on that side.
We'll put that side toward the wall and not on the outer.
Okay,
Oh,
one's done.
put that, don't eat that! Spit it out! That's a weed! Nasty!
You want to
Oh, take it out your mouth! Lottie!
Maybe weeds aren't so bad. Aren't dandelions good for something?
Yeah, they're good for you, but is that a dandelion?
Oh, I don't know.
See? Well, there you go.
Oh, is that why you don't want to eat it because you don't know what it is?
I don't know what it is.
Oh. Now it makes sense why you're so avid about her not eating it.
Advent?
Adamant?
I think I'd rather be advent about her not eating it. I'm so avid.
Well, what does avid mean? Doesn't it mean like interested? Actively pursuing
Right.
an interest in it?
I'm so advent about it.
I'm tired. Yeah, we should have breakfast nachos.
What would a breakfast nacho consist of?
Oh, let me tell you. So you take your eggs and you soft boil them.
Ew.
And then you take your squash and then you saute with taco seasoning. Then you take your chips and you layer them with cheese and onion.
I absolutely don't want that.
Well, it sounds good.
Sounds disgusting.
Sounds disgusting. It's stupid.
What's stupid is you trying to make somebody else not eat meat.
I never offered you it. That's why it's stupid. Ooh, the way you're describing how you want to eat good food sounds disgusting. Well, you're missing out on a good time, honey. Because let me tell you about soft-boiled eggs and delicious squash. So good. Okay, so I'm going to go to 72 and a quarter.
If it was 74, wouldn't it be 71 and a quarter? You said it was 3 inches. And first you said it was 74. So wouldn't it be 71?
Okay. Oh, did you pull it? Oh, and look at that. It's at 71. Look at that. And boom goes the dynamite. Oh, we have to make space for the thing. Like this. Thought I wanted to go. So, what? Should I cut this in half?
I would just cut it in pieces instead of doing all that work.
What about this side?
We're gonna have to put a piece on the inside too anyways to box it in too. That's why he said I needed so many. So we need another piece that same length, I guess. Because stick that piece on the inside and see what it looks like. But no, stick it sideways.
This?
Yeah, then put it in there and see if it blocks it. Oh.
Really? I guess it could, but...
Yeah, I think it can, and then I'll just like tape it and putty it, and then...
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Wait.
Huh?
You're gonna tape this?
Or what? Well, because look at just this little piece right here. is showing in the crack, because if you put it like this, okay, hold that there like that. See, that doesn't look bad.
Yeah, that's way better. Now that I can appreciate. Because then you're also going to have this one up here. So, you want some for nothing.
Yeah, so we need another long piece. Well, only longer because it's not going to have the trim. So that one could actually be the 74.
Yeah.
But you're not going to see that either. Well, yeah, you will. So that one could actually be 74. That second long piece.
Should I cut this one in half?
And then, no, because, and then look at this one. Oh, yeah, you should cut that one in half. Then over here, what is this? It's going to be 74 also?
No, because...
Yeah, because this one is going to need to, because we don't have this door trim anymore. Unless I just put the door trim back right here where it was, and then it would look like this.
I thought that wood was darker. Are you going to stain it darker?
Like this. I'm telling you I might paint it white because of the trim that, and plus the door. See, if I buy the floor trim, I'm just going to put a piece of door trim right here, so you only need one piece. The only awkwardness will be this, but I'll figure it out. Something. So we only really need one more piece right here, whatever length, David, and then I'm going to find the trim and put this back there, and I'll find a trim that matches.
So we need another 74.
And whatever length this thing is.
Oh, let me measure that. You need one or two? One?
Just one, because I'm going to put the trim back there.
It's about 40.
Alright, so we need to cut one more.
We do
74.
74 and 40.
Okay, and then we're done with the cutting.
But I also do need to cut.
Oh, we're going to cut that in half. So
not in half, but like, you know.
So you got to measure from there to there.
Yeah, I'm just measuring.
So 74, 40, and 26?
27. Well, I'll probably cut it actually at 27.
Alright.
Maybe 28. Actually, I think I might cut it at 27.
27.
27, 40, and 75. 74.
74, 27, and 40. Remember that, folks.